Hi and welcome back. In this video, let's see how to make yogurt in an instant pot. To make yogurt, you need a starter. This is also called jamun in Hindi. The starter is a small quantity of yogurt taken from a previous batch. To make a starter, you will need small quantity of fresh milk and also few additional things, either green chilies, red chilies or lime. These are the green chilies I'm talking about. These are also called bird's eye chili or Thai chili. These are the red chilies that I'm talking about. They are dried red chilies. I'll try to leave a link to the Amazon in the description box. To make the starter, first I'm going to add 1 cup of water into the liner. And now place the trivet inside the liner. Add small quantities of milk into these bowls. Now place these bowls inside the instant pot. Now I'm gonna boil the milk. For this, close the lid. Steam this for 0 minutes. So turn on steam and adjust the time to 0. And make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. I have let it naturally pressure release. So now I'm gonna open the lid. The milk is super hot, so I'm gonna let it cool for around 30 minutes till it gets to lukewarm temperature. The milk is lukewarm. I've let it cool for around 30 minutes. Now add green chilies. Make sure the green chilies have the stem. Add red chilies into a bowl. Also make sure red chilies have stem and make sure it's completely soaked into the milk. And add few drops of lemon juice into the milk. Now securely close them. If you have lids, you can use lids. I've made these foil lids. Place this back into the inner pot. Close the lid. Turn on yogurt mode. I have turned this off after 8 to 10 hours. Now I'll be opening the lid to check if the starter is done. I think this is lemon one. You can leave these in the refrigerator for around 7 days and use them in making bigger batch of yogurt. This is a little sour and this is a little runny, and this one is set perfectly, so I'm gonna use this for my big batch of yogurt. Now for making big batch of yogurt, I'm gonna use around 200 ml of milk, and first heat this up. Add around 1 cup of water into the instant pot and place milk inside the liner. Close the lid and turn on steam and set it to 0 minutes. Make sure the whistle is in venting mode. I have let the milk steam for a while and the safety valve is down. So I'm gonna open the lid and let this cool for 30 minutes. I've let this cool for around 30 minutes and now it's lukewarm. So I'm gonna add around 2 tablespoons of this starter. And mix it thoroughly. Now close the lid and put this in the instant pot. Make sure that you have enough water in the inner pot. Close the lid. Turn on yogurt mode. And this can be in venting mode. So I've let this be in yogurt mode for more than 8 hours now and it's done. So let's go check the results. And ta-da! So it's perfectly set. Now you can leave this in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours so that it's set well. And enjoy the yogurt. I'm gonna show you how thick it is set.